Hey, welcome back to the 44th parallel. Been gone for about 6 days downstate. Had to go down into Indiana, get some work done down there. And anyways, I'm back. It's Friday, late afternoon, January 10th, 2020. And I came up a little bit early because downstate Michigan, I'm supposed to get 2 to 3 inches of rain tonight and tomorrow, all the way into Sunday morning. Up here, we're supposed to get 11 to 14 inches of snow, and I love it. I love being up here in the snow, getting the fire going, and get some work done this weekend on the inside. These shutters I put up used to be wood shutters. The first wood shutters kind of rotted out on me. Put up a second set of wood shutters. They're shutters, also rain deflectors, and they offer some bit of security. But these I put up, I made them out of metal, and they'll last the rest of my life. Had some trespassers in the way of mice this week. I caught 2 in here. Let's just kind of take the chill off a little bit. The furnace is set at 51 degrees, but what we are going to do is I'm going to show you a way that I have learned to light this fire the easy way. Well, much easier than it used to be. Oh yeah, look at all that good ash in there. A lot of people just throw all that right out. And that's the stuff you need to make a good fire. You don't need to throw it all out. I'll show you what I mean. Stuff in there. So I'm going to take this out carefully. Try not to drop it. Put it in a bucket. This is from a week's worth of burning. The trick to burning firewood is to keep things clean. Burning wood is notoriously dirty. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to have to come in here for bucket number 2. That's bucket number 1. And let me show you what we're going to do with that. Okay, so here I have my compost bin. And I have a screen on top of it with a bucket. Take this bucket off. And here I have my bucket of ash. Again, here's my screen. Now, if you look inside there, you'll see it's layers of coffee grounds, onions, eggshells, banana peels, apple cores, all that kind of really good stuff. And I'm going to dump this ash on the screen. Now, it's simply matter of shake that, and we got to stand out of that cloud of ash. And what we want are these pieces of coal. See the big clunkers in there. That's what really gets the fire hot. Okay. Now, all last week's compost covered up in a layer of ash. And ready to add more compost all this week, and the process will continue all winter long. Okay, so now we got our bucket of coals. Let's go take this inside. First piece we're going to stick way in the back and just kind of lean it up against the wall. We want air to get behind that quarter log. Second piece we're going to lean up against here in the front. We want air to get behind that as well. And then we're going to take our bucket of coals and we are going to dump them between the two quarter logs. This stuff is just like the world's best charcoal. No need to throw it out. There's a lot of BTUs left in here, and it lights easy. It burns hot. Okay, and then get all spread out. Isopropyl alcohol, 70% solution. That right there is probably, oh gosh, it's probably a quart. And it cost me about $1.79. And that'll last me probably for 10 fires starts. Because I take a quarter cup and we'll put it on top of the coals and light that, and that's our starter. And then from there we'll put all the debris from the wood box on top of the coals as they're burning. And once that is lit, we'll start putting some logs on, and we got a fire, a hot one will be going. So let's get this going. Just a little bit on top of those. Maybe, like I said, a quarter cup. Watch that. And as that is burning, we'll come down here to our wood box and start cleaning that up. Catch up and get hot before we throw any more on. Close that down a little bit. Get some coals going. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes and the coals are starting to get red, but we're going to give about 3 minutes longer. Okay, now we got some red hot coals there going. It's time for the wood. Okay. I see some smoke coming out. My smoke detector's gonna go off. It's all right. Over there. There. And that right there. We'll just close that a little bit. Oh, shut up. So we got our wood box cleaned out. Got our fireplace cleaned out. And we got a fire going. That's how you light a fire. Thanks for joining.